Welcome back to, I guess, what, the 4th episode? Jesus Christ, I'm sorry. But I don't have a phone number. I wish I did. That was a dime. That was a freaking dime. How do you not catch that number 80, bro? Like, you sold. Catch that? Dive? Jesus. Oh my god. That was a terrible idea. I don't know why I did that to my guy. Yeah, there's no way I don't win this, bro. I'm gonna play it though. Yeah, we're winning 31-3. I'm pretty sure we're gonna win. I'm pretty sure we're gonna win. Oh, come on. Oh, and if y'all get this video to 15 likes, I will 1v1 Skittles. On the first time in this channel. 15 likes. I'm gonna freaking destroy you, idiot. For the first time in forever, I woke up my daddy and he's about to freaking scream at me. Actually, I hope that doesn't happen because he would freaking kill me. Yeah, in front of the camera, bro. He'd make me apologize for not shutting up every 5 seconds. Jesus. They're blitzing, I can tell. Or it might be crazy and stupid. Oh yeah, they're blitzing. Bro, block. Oh my god. So I'm gonna tell y'all a story, okay guys? So we were at a sleepover, and that's when I created the channel. Well, it's under Mason's name, but I decided to, yeah, Rokuff. And this man, it was 5 a.m. and we were gonna go to sleep. Yeah, 5 a.m. So, and I was going to bed, you know, I was laying down on the floor on my very soft freaking mattress. That was actually very comfortable. And all of a sudden, I hear crazy. I was crazy once. I was locked in a room with a rubber room with rats. Rats make me crazy. Non-stop for 30 minutes straight. I almost got up and freaking punched that man. I was about to freaking get up and freaking kill him. No, I'm not threatening him. Definitely. Dime. Oh, timeout. No. Other timeout. No, timeout. Yes, I need to kick a field goal. I feel bad. I might be very disrespectful. I don't give a crap. This is a 3-second song. This is a 3-second video. 3 minutes. Dang it. Okay, so we ended up winning 41-3. Bro, did you hear me, bro? I said 41-3. Like, good God. Our quarterback's name is Forrest Brock. Run like the wind, Forrest. Run, Forrest. Ow, frick. Oh, yep, that hurt. Yeah, I'm lucky I didn't show that on camera. But good God, bro. This blister is killing me. I've had it forever. Like, good God. Okay. Football conditioning a few days ago. Bro, I have 25 coach points. Good God. Just gonna go ahead and do this. recruiting. I know how to land your recruits 75% of the time. So basically what you do is scout them, make sure they're like a gym or like normal at like beginning of the season. And then like when you have enough points, do like send the house on every person. If you can't afford it for some people, get rid of them or something, or save up or something. But I usually get rid of them. And then when the time comes, because when the time comes, what I do is basically when I have all their hard sells, I hard sell them. To the point where it's like they automatically have to commit since we have all their hard sells and everything. And then maybe I'll schedule a visit to make things spicy. So, yeah. That's what I do. I don't have to do that, but it's what I do. Hurry up. I'm joking. Oh, okay. I could land this guy easily. Let me give 20 on this, guys. That's not good. Oh, and I have another question. Who's y'all's favorite content, like football content creator? Or CFB? I just freaking popped my knuckle, or fingers, or whatever. God dang it. It hurt, but it felt good. Mine personally is Not the Expert or Borda, since Not the Expert's my guy. He plays everything. Oh my, you don't know who Not the Expert is? Okay, good. I was about to say, if you didn't, you have no childhood. Oh my god. Missed all of it. Hurry up. Mason, what week should we stop recording? We can't do that, bro. I ain't trying to do that. That's like 15 things, bro. That's like 15 videos. And ain't like anybody's gonna watch 15 minute videos for like 15 times. So I might as well end it right here and just edit them. Nah, I'm gonna go ahead and simulate this game. So I'm sorry, you guys, but you know, I'm just tired. I'm probably gonna edit these videos and then go to bed. So you can. I already did Ready to Advance. So have a nice night. Shout out Not the Expert. Shout out Not the Expert right there. Oh, frick.